Hi guys, this tutorial is about the zoom tool and the pen tool. The zoom tool and pen tool are on the left tool palette. They are over here. If we click and then if we hold on the black triangle, we can see the both command. The first one is the zoom tool, the other one is the pen tool. We have two ways of zooming in our document. The first one is by using the mouse scroll wheel. And if we want to zoom in that way, we have to choose the pick tool. And now if we want to zoom between these two objects, between this blue rectangle and between this red rectangle, we are going to put the cursor of the mouse between these two objects, and we are going to scroll the wheel of the mouse forward. We are scrolling forward as you can see, we are zooming in our document. If we want to continue with zooming, but in this corner of the red rectangle, we put our cursor of the mouse of our mouse in this corner of the red rectangle, and we are continuing by scrolling the wheel of the mouse forward. So we are scrolling forward and we are zooming in. If we want to zoom out, we scroll the wheel of the mouse, but in the opposite way, backwards. We are scrolling the wheel backwards, as you can see, we are zooming out, and now we can see all three objects of the document. The other way for zooming is by using the zoom command, the zoom tool. We are clicking on this black triangle, and we are choosing the zoom tool. Now you can see the cursor has a plus sign, and we are zooming by clicking and holding our left mouse key in this corner, and we are dragging with the mouse in the opposite corner, and as you can see, we have a rectangle made of dots. If we let go our left mouse key, we will zoom the objects which were inside of that rectangle made of dots. If we want to zoom out, we have to press and hold the shift and the alt key of the keyboard. We are pressing and holding the shift and the alt key of the keyboard, and as you can see, the cursor of the mouse now has a minus sign. And while we are pressing and holding the shift and the alt key, if we press once on the left mouse key, we are going to zoom out of these two objects. Now we are pressing the left mouse key, and now we are zooming out. If we want to use the pen tool, first I will show you. First we have to zoom in. For example, I'll zoom the red rectangle and the yellow rectangle. I'm pressing and holding my left mouse key, and I'm dragging to the opposite corner. I let go my left mouse key, so I have zoomed in the red and the yellow rectangle, and now I'm pressing and holding the black triangle, and I am choosing the pen tool. Now the cursor has a shape of a hand, and if I click and if I hold on my left mouse key, I can move around the document in the side that I want. We can go left or right. If I click and hold my left mouse key, I go left, and as you can see, I can see the blue rectangle. If I want to see the yellow rectangle, I go with the cursor in this way, in this position. I press and hold my left mouse key, and I'm dragging with my mouse in the upper direction. And now, as you can see, I can see the whole yellow rectangle. If I have multiple objects on our document, and if I want to see all of them by pressing on only one command, that's the command F4. At this moment on the document I have three rectangles, but I can see only the yellow one. If I want to see the blue one, the red one, and the yellow one, I can click on the F4 command, and I can see all three objects at the same time. So I'm pressing the F4 command, and as you can see, I can see the whole three rectangles: the blue one, the red one, and the yellow one.